Hello guys. This product is basically free. Let me explain in Mizo Chong. Ouch. Chick New Chicks Outshine Face Serum hi India Vun Miltura Korea Raman Siamani Tuna hian 4-week money back warranty challenge an kalpui make bokani. Ole a omzia bera chuan Carly chung he product hi imhana a result alang lo ani chuanin ipoisa kha an peled levek don se ni chu. As men, we often neglect skincare. Somehow we've been made to believe that taking care of our skin isn't manly. And what does it lead to? Breakouts, clogged pores, premature aging, dull, rough skin. Kansoi to ang khan he product hi India Vun Miltura Korea Ramasiamani opa uni te khanin Mizoril Ruman Mozia share in Carly chung le ka work theinan thil chatak tak panga in an lo siama. Niacinamide, arbutin, Korean glutathione, vitamin C le triple hyaluronic acid ten an lo siamani. He thil chalutuk hian dark spot, fade pigmentation, acne mark, pimples le maivuna harsan na shang inay te kha athiar fai sak vek don sia tin vuna ti engin athisel bokani. These are my before and after result. Honestly, I'm kind of sad I won't get my money back because it actually worked. But you can try the challenge yourself. Chuan link ti in lo comment don ya chuan ka code kha kim ti ani